I'm trying to tell you the ball game has moved to Iraq's stock market. Or maybe foreign investors have been there all along, since 2011. Look at this. The stock market report is dated September 2020. Look at the top trading stock for the week. Babylon Hotel, which only cost 82 Iraqi dinars per share, went up 13.9%. Okay, we already know this, but I just wanted you to know that this article showed up in the New York Times. Trump administration opens investigation into Vietnam's trade practices. Now, I want you to understand 100% why these investigations or probes are important. The United States is making every effort to prove if Vietnam has undervalued its currency, making its products unfairly cheap abroad. So you see, there is a plus to your currency being low or undervalued. And we have to keep this in mind regardless if we're talking about Vietnam or Iraq. The new Prime Minister of Iraq wants to build 1,000 new schools in Iraq. He says that education is the real weapon which nations can arm themselves with, in addition to the health system. After the surprising peace deal between Israel and the Gulf Arab countries, you could say the Middle East is now divided into two large competing blocs. One bloc consists mainly of Sunni Arab states, together along with the Jewish state, and is led by Saudi Arabia, Israel, and Egypt. The other bloc consists of Iran, Iraq, Syria, Lebanon, and to a lesser degree, Turkey. Now, many may see this as progress. Having the Middle East split is not progress, especially when the alliances may be forged for financial and political reasons. We will have to wait and see which side Iraq comes up on. This article came out on October 3rd of 2020. All Iran-Iraq flights canceled due to COVID-19. The Jerusalem Post has a very interesting and yet odd article entitled, "Will Iran Attack While Trump is in the Hospital?" The link to this article is in the description. You can read the entire article. This article is also dated October 3rd, 2020. Iraq is set to build nuclear reactors to take care of electricity problems that they have been having for years.